Hi, and welcome everybody. I'm Liza Hausman, the Vice President of Industry Marketing here at Houzz.
And hi, I'm Helena Bahar. I am the Senior Director of Product at Houzz Pro.
And we're here excited today to talk to you about how you go about moving from Ivy to Houzz Pro. We have tons of new features and tools available to you. And what we've done is put together lots of resources to help you successfully learn about what the new tools and features are, make the decision to move, and then in an automated way, of course, always support is available, but in an automated way, be able to move in just minutes and move your account from Ivy to Houzz Pro. Helena, why don't we dive in and show folks what we're talking about?
Absolutely. So the reason you're watching us is because you click the play button on the screen that we're showing you right now. So all you're going to do is click on the Make the Switch button right here. And once you do, you'll be moved over into our landing page where you can now either create your Houzz account, or if you already have an account, click to sign in.
And when we talk about your Houzz account, existing Houzz account, we're just talking about your free Houzz Pro profile, even if you've never put any information there. If you are already using a Houzz Pro account with the same email that you use for Ivy, ideally we want to connect those. And if you have any questions about that, we'll show you how to connect with our support team. We definitely would prefer that you contact us and make sure before jumping into the move. So in addition to the information that we have here on this landing page, you'll be able to click through and go to an even more in-depth resource page that has videos and articles and shows you exactly what the differences are between Ivy and Houzz Pro, so you'll be very comfortable when you're ready to make that move. So the first step is to connect your Ivy account to your Houzz Pro account. And again, if you have any questions about that, please contact support. And then the next step will be to move your payment processing. We will cancel your Ivy payments and we will replace them with a Houzz Pro payment. So you'll be taken here to re-enter your payment information and to move that process over to Houzz Pro. Once you do this, all of your projects and data will automatically be moved. We've made it super easy and it takes a few minutes. So the screen will update as soon as your data has all been moved and you can start using Houzz Pro.
And Liza makes a very important point here. All your data is staying with you. Anything that you've clipped, any project that you've created, any invoice, proposal, or anything else that you've sent out to your clients is still going to be available to you in Houzz Pro. You're losing absolutely nothing.
Great point, Helena. And of course, we want to provide as many resources to you as possible. We have a webinar and onboarding just to be able to show you the details of what's different and new in Houzz Pro so you're totally comfortable. We also have a lot of this information on the resource page that we built specifically for Ivies that are looking and are interested in moving to Houzz Pro.
Yes, so that's it. Once you're here, you can go ahead and play around with all your existing projects and create brand new projects in the brand new Houzz Pro experience.
And one good thing to note, since Helena mentions that, again, all of your information is coming with you. We do have a new experience for projects, and you'll be able to see that in the videos. All of your old projects will remain in your current experience, and you can always access them there. But anything new you create in Houzz Pro will give you the broader access to the tools and features of the new project experience, including a lot of the things that you guys have been asking for the last few years.
Absolutely. We've really been working hard to make sure that all the new features you have are the best in class.
So thanks everybody so much for joining us today. Again, we hope you'll dive into the resources we've created here, and our team is ready and excited to talk to you if you have any questions at all. So please let us know how it goes, and we look forward to seeing you in Houzz Pro.